back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing. So this is Canon 60D. So I'm going to unbox it now. I got this package from Lagos for my photography and all those good stuff. So let's do this together. So I got it with some other stuff, not just the camera alone. I got some other stuff. So I'm just going to show you guys. So this is 𖦸Say mic, as you can see. 𖦸Say mic for videos, and this is the charger. You can see it. This is the charger, and this is the place you insert the battery when you want to charge. This is how Canon is. My Sony, you just charge directly from the camera and it works. So Prosper is here in case you're hearing any sound. This is the Canon strap. It didn't have this Canon 60D. It has this EOS digital. So this is the strap, and when you open, this is the manual. The manual for the Canon, and in here we have this should be the charger. I don't know what this is, but there's a cord here. We'll look for what this stuff does. There's a cord here, and I got a lens. This lens is 35. Okay, this should be the 50mm lens. Okay, this one is 50mm lens, 50mm f1.8 lens. This lens has that bokeh effect kind of stuff for photography. So, and this is the kit lens. This is the kit lens I got as well. This one is macro 0.25 0.8 feet, something like. Okay, look at it, 18.55 mm lens. It's a kit lens. So, and this is the battery for the camera. Then we have the champion of the show. So far, this is the champion of the show. This is our Canon 60D, as you can see. Look at it. This is our Canon 60D. It looks heavy. It's heavier than my Sony A5100. It's heavier. I guess it's because it's a DSLR. It's heavier than that one. So I like the way it feels, but it's bulky. It's heavy. That's the whole thing. So guys, this is the unboxing. I want to show you guys. I'm still going to, if I'm able to do a review, then I'm going to show you guys certainly. But this is the unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If it's your first time, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.